Hi everyone. Today we're walking through how to connect your AO Smith water heater to the WatterSaver program using this CTA 2045 communication module. This is also the same process for all compatible American, Reliance, State, Lochinvar, or UF's Craftsman water heaters. Today I will be demonstrating this installation on the State ProLine residential water heater. Before we start, make sure you have your kit ready. You'll need the CTA 2045 module, if applicable, the CTA 2045 port adapter, the LTE antenna, and a standard Phillips head screwdriver. Before installing the UCM module, turn off power to your water heater at the circuit breaker or fuse box. Depending on your specific water heater model, you may need to install a port adapter first. The program team will let you know if this applies to you. If your water heater already has a CTA 2045 port, you can move on to the next step. This adapter provides the physical EcoPort connection needed for the module. To install it, simply align the adapter over the connection area on your water heater and secure it using the provided screws. Once the adapter is firmly in place, you can proceed with plugging in the UCM as shown in the next step. Locate the CTA 2045 port cover on the front of your water heater, usually right below the control panel. Use your screwdriver to remove the cover and reveal the grid connection pins. Now, take your UCM, screw in the LTE antenna by twisting it onto the threaded metal connector. Then proceed with the installation of the UCM by aligning the connectors with the port. Gently push it in until the bottom of the module sits flush against the receiver. If the screw holes align, use the provided screws to secure it in place and point the antenna up and away from the water heater. Head back to your circuit breaker and turn the power back on. Once the water heater has power, the LED on the module should turn green. After about 20 seconds, it will flash blue while it searches for a cellular signal. Within 30 seconds, it should turn solid blue, meaning you are officially connected. To wrap up, press Enter on your water heater's control panel. You should see a solid grid indicator light. If you ever need to temporarily override the program for 72 hours, press the grid button on the panel. That's it, your installation is complete. If the light on your UCM is flashing red or isn't turning solid blue, check the troubleshooting guide on our website or contact support at watersaver.com. Thanks for watching.